Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to do another shop with me at Dollar Tree. You guys seem to love the shop with me's at Dollar Tree, so I'm definitely going to try to come out here more often. I usually do not go to Dollar Tree that often, usually just to pick up some things like something for the dog or anything, but we're going to check out to see what new hygiene products they have at the Dollar Tree. So let's get in and let's try to find. Actually, I am here on a hunt. You guys, if you watched my last Dollar Tree shop with me, I was trying to find hard candy. I went to 3 different Dollar Trees to no avail. I could not find it. One of you guys told me that you were able to find it at your local Dollar Tree. So I am going to double check today to see if my Dollar Tree has any new ones. So we will find out. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, so if you missed my last shop with me, I talked about baby oil, but they have gelled baby oil. So if you prefer body baby oil after the shower, they have it, but I prefer the gelled baby oil for myself. And then there is always body care hygiene products. So this is a microfiber hair wrap. These can be very expensive. Now the last one I bought here was very small, so just keep that in mind. I don't recommend opening packages, but I would definitely recommend checking that out. Now, these we've seen in like places like TJ Maxx. This is a coconut infused exfoliating bath cloth. So if you want to exfoliate yourself while you're in the shower for $1, why not? My daughter loves sleeping with eye masks, so she ordered them from Amazon, but look, you can get it for $1. And then they actually have coconut infused exfoliating bath glove and hot and cold eye pads. So you can definitely get a lot of hygiene tools here too. Argan oil microfiber hair wrap. Again, just double check the size before you grab it. I think this is the one that I had an issue with. This was too small, so maybe those are bigger. These are says facial masks. 2 remover sponges, so that's there. And of course, they always have all of the body bars. So my son actually loves Old Spice, but he likes like a Fiji brand, which is like $7. So the boy needs to get a job, but you need just a bar soap as your base. This is definitely a good place to grab some. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. So that's Suave New. Let me see, but I've seen these all before. None of these say new, so I don't think these are new to you. So we're just gonna go ahead and see what else they got. They also have these bath soaps, avocado oil and vanilla brown sugar bubble bath. And then some more tools, sponges. Okay, you guys always know they always have hand soaps. But I guess if your kid likes Paw Patrol, they have Paw Patrol and Baby Shark. But we saw that in the last shop with me that I did. And then these used to be expensive when my kids were young. These little bath fingerprint soaps. That's good if your kids are young. I do not actually see any hard candy products, so I guess my area doesn't want to have those. But let's see. Those down there, I've never tried them, but they kind of remind me of OGX. They always have those, and a lot of people swear by this Arm & Hammer body wash. And then the Suaves. The Suaves are actually 97 cents. If you saw my last shop with me at Walmart. But they always have like a ton here of those. So let's see. What is this? So this is a hand cream. Haven't seen that before. These are cleansing cloths. My daughter actually likes these. This is charcoal massager. You can use this actually to massage your head. I haven't seen this before. This is a Power Stick body spray for her. I haven't seen this either. Pure Silk Shave Gel Shavers. They always have a ton of these right here. Now the ones I would definitely recommend if you saw my shop with me, this was in Walmart. It was for $1.12, so they have them here. These I recommend my husband for if you're a man in your life, get these. They love, my husband loves them, and he doesn't like stuff from the dollar store. They always have like different masks. So these are mermaid face masks. And then they have these little body lotions and body shower gels. If there's no sale at Bath and Body, you can definitely get those. They're kind of frothy. So this is cranberry, and then they have cinnamon with the lotions also. So that's super cool. Let's see what else they got. Okay, so they have acne washes, they have deodorants. Oh, these, nothing new here for me, but I'd just like to share just in case you guys want to check out what is in the dollar store. I always get the placards from here too, and these are cool. These are multicolored placards. And then let's see what they have in the bath line. So no hard candy here either. But the facial wipes, what is this? Bath salt. Cleansers, these are not new to me, but just sharing. These look really nice for you to take a bath. This is a hydrogen facial mask. These I have actually, this one I've tried before. Bath bombs at the bottom. A bunch of facial wipes, facial masks, mirrors, nailing kit, little sprays. These are good too if you're traveling. These remind me of Bath and Body. And they have these little eye patches, brushes, and that's it. I'm going to double check to see, and some more tools for the shower. I'm going to double check to see what they have in the makeup section. Okay, so we are at Dollar Tree number 2. I've seen a lot of people talk about these LA Colors highlighters. I have a lot of highlighters, so I'm not going to get them, but just wanted to share with you guys in a 12 color eyeshadow palette from the Dollar Tree. Now, the thing that got me hyped, I guess, was Vaseline has cocoa butter. Now, if you looked at my last shop with me, I was talking about the little cocoa butter packets, but they have this, and they also have rosy lips. I prefer the chapstick type, so I'm gonna grab this one, but just wanted to share with you guys, what is this? RVO, that looks good, but I'm gonna grab that one, but just wanted to share with you guys. They also have Sassy Chic, a beauty benefit cream, and I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I don't buy makeup, but LA Colors does have a lot of product here. Let me see. This one looks interesting. This Dollar Tree definitely has more stuff than the other Dollar Tree. I don't know if the other Dollar Tree was just tired and they didn't unpack anything. But yeah, this location has way more stuff than the other one did. Let me see. They have What is this? Natural Color Pond's. I didn't even know they had, oh, that's beauty cream. And they have tweezers, obviously. The normal stuff that they have. Let me see. Just trying to look as you guys are looking to see if anything stands out. This stands out. Beauty pedicure flip-flops. 2 pair. Similar to like the ones that you get when you get your feet done at the beauty salon. Anything. Sometimes it's hard to tell what's here because it's like mixed up. But what is this? A gel face mask. And then I saw somebody, I think it was OCC, one cute couponer. She mentioned these. I don't wear fake nails. I probably should, but she grabbed that on her haul, so just sharing that with you guys. Soak off. Oh, these are cool. Soak off nail caps. Now, if you saw the earlier Dollar Tree haul, I showed you they didn't really have a lot of ponds. This location seems to have more ponds, but they also have this one wasn't there. And Vaseline doesn't seem to be here, but they still have the coconut milk body lotion that's here too. And then they also have facial washes. They have the same body lotions that they had at the other location. These for some reason remind me of Aveeno, and let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried that. I have not tried that because we have a lot of hygiene products at home. And then if you need like a little deodorant, they have those. They have power sticks, so you can definitely get some stuff here at the Dollar Tree. And of course, the hand soaps. This is like I said in the other location, my son loves Old Spice, so the Old Spice is kind of expensive. Let's see. Oh, let's see if there's any new bar soaps. I just skipped them. They have Dove, they have Dial. I don't think I saw this at the other location. What is this? Marula oil. I have that, but I have a Dial one. I heard this is really good. Shea buttermilk. This one, it says limited edition frosted cranberry, so I might grab that just because it says limited edition. And that is it. Let me see what this is. Hold on. Uh-oh. Cinnamon Swirl limited edition. Might be grabbing that, but you guys will see at the end if I did. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so same body care items that we saw at the other location. They have shower fizzies, wet wipes. No hard candy. Anything. Yeah, nothing hard candy-ish. Just the same stuff here. So might be a lost cause. But they have these shower gels here. Again, just a smaller variety of shower gels. But I swear, I don't know about you guys, but this reminds me of OGX every time. Okay, so we're gonna see if there's any other things here. I think that's it, but I heard Charge from Suave was good too, so. And these right here remind me of Oil of Olay. Okay guys, so this haul will be very, very short. But you guys gonna see, I combined the videos so you guys can see everything that I got during today's shop with me. Unfortunately, no hard candy for me, but she will be fine. All right, so I wanted to share with you guys some limited edition items that I found in the Dollar Tree. You guys probably saw what I found, but still sharing because there was a couple item. Well, there was an item that I found that I did not share because it was during checkout where I found it. Okay, so the very first thing we have, you guys saw this. This was from Yardley. This is frosted cranberry bar soap. I use the bar soaps as a soap. Plus, they are limited edition. Smells like cranberry goodness, so it will definitely get me in the holiday spirit for the holidays. And then I just like limited edition stuff. So the next thing I found was Yardley. This is limited edition cinnamon swirl. So this definitely will get your body moisturized. And if you've never tried Yardley soaps, they are good. So if you find them, definitely try them out, see how they work. I know everybody's body chemistry is totally different, so it's a give or take if they work for you or not, but I like them. All right, and the last but not least, I found Blistex medicated berry balm. So I actually just realized that the Vaseline balm that I was going to get in my basket probably stayed in my basket, but I saw this during checkout. So I'm just going to take a loss on that, and maybe I'll get that next time. And I'm thinking, I'm like, should I go back in or should I not? But I got this. That's fine. I will get this. And then that's it. So let's share what else was in my haul. So I wanted to share with you guys the couple things I did get from the Dollar Tree. These things for me are good finds. So if you see them in your local Dollar Tree, definitely get them. So this is like one of the only things my husband will use as far as hygiene. This is Dove Men Care face, hand and body hand cream. He works from his car from his car for his job, and this is one of the things he likes, the way that it smells and moisturizes him. He loves Dove, so that's why we got that. But I thought these were good finds to share with you guys if you have like little kids, or if you want to put like a gift basket together. This is from a brand called Snugaboo, and they have these little house socks. We have hardwood floors, so I tend to always just wear socks instead of slippers. So they had these. So I got one for myself and one for each kid. I have 2 kids in the house. I think that's a unicorn. I don't know. I try to get a variety, and each kid can pick one, and then I will just grab the last. So I thought these were cute, but I thought these were cute too from the same brand. These are like some gloves. I'm in Texas, you guys know that. It doesn't really get super cold here, not like New York, winter storm and stuff, but it does get cold. So sometimes one of the things in my house, or when I'm outside, the things that always gets cold, it's always my feet and my hands. So I grabbed that also. But yeah, I'm going to go to another Dollar Tree to see if there's anything there. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. So this will be a 2-for-2-for in the same video. So hopefully I can find it, or we just find new stuff. All right, so stay tuned for that video. And this may actually be the end of the video if I don't see anything over there. So with that being said, just in case, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.